So data-informed decision making, that is something that is going to help all the administrators, managers, policy makers. What do we mean by decision? First of all, we need to understand that. So data science is all about data-informed decision making in different contexts. Then that can be divided into 4 types. Number 1 is descriptive. What has happened in a particular organization? We try to find that out. Then diagnostic. It means that why has it happened? What are the reasons behind the happening of some event or some problem? Then another point that comes into the picture is predictive. Given the data, given the information that you have, can you predict about the future? So that is predictive. And ultimately the 4th level or 4th type, I would say, that is prescriptive. That this is going to happen. Can you stop it if it is something negative for the organization? What action you can take to resolve that problem? So these are the 4 different levels. And at DA-IICT, we try to address all of these 4 different types of data science. That is all about data science at DA-IICT. So data science basically relied on 6 building blocks, or I would say 6 pillars that are there, like mathematics, statistics, then programming, machine learning, data management, ultimately ethics, data science ethics. So at DA-IICT, we cover courses related to each of these 6 pillars, which sets the foundation of the student in such a way that he can go anywhere in any of the domains, still he would be able to solve the problems which he or she or his or her organization is facing. So beyond the classroom, students are involved in peer learning clubs. It is a novel concept that we have introduced at DA-IICT, where students create their clubs on their own, depending on different themes. For example, stats and mathematics is one theme. So a group of students, they are the leaders. They introduce the topics that they would like to discuss with other students. Another activity in which these peer learning club take initiative is organizing hackathon. So what they do is, on some of the weekends, they propose some challenges in which other students can participate. That is related to, they probably release some data sets and on which students can come up with their own solution. And then who are the top 2 or 3, they get the chance to present their solution and also tell what strategy that they have employed. One example that I can take for my own class in data mining in the last year, that because the last year there was World Cup. So we gave a project on World Cup where they need to predict who are going to be the semi-finalists, what teams are going to be semi-finalists, the finalist, the winner, as well as the team players in each of these teams. So such type of activities which are more contextual, a student can participate in that real time, they know the things, and they were free to collect data from any source available on the web. So they can do things, and then overall task is to come up with the solution, the prediction, I would say. So for career opportunities, first of all, I would like to say that this data science is a multidisciplinary stream. So it is not confined to IT only. If I talk about the first part of the career opportunity, which is prominently the placements. So there are companies from different domains such as IT, pharma, healthcare, finance, FMCG. So they are coming here to recruit students. And they recruit not only for one type of jobs like software development. So they don't do this. There are different roles. For example, data scientists, data analysts, data engineers, machine learning engineer, quantitative analysts. So these are some of the roles that for which companies come here and then take our students. Another part of it is the higher education. So some of our students, they choose to go for higher education, that is PhD in India and abroad. In M.Sc data science, there is one additional component which we call value-added courses. It happens during the summer semester. So experts from industry, they come and they give sessions on, for example, how data science work in the industry, in a specific, for example, supply chain analytics. So this is the theme. So how industry work specifically in terms of data science pipeline. So they discuss their experiences, how a hypothesis is designed, and how to prioritize problems. If the problem is prioritized, then how data is collected, different issues related to the optimization and cost which is involved in solving that problem. So many different things. So students are exposed to real problems in industry. So that is the one point.